Moringa seeds, small and unassuming, yet packed with a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your health from the inside out. These tiny seeds derived from the Moringa oleifera tree have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their incredible medicinal properties. And now, as modern science catches up, the world is beginning to rediscover the incredible benefits of incorporating moringa seeds into our daily diet. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, moringa seeds are a nutritional goldmine waiting to be tapped into. Just a small serving of these seeds can provide you with a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of essential nutrients. From vitamin C to calcium, iron to potassium, moringa seeds are a nutrient-dense superfood that can help bridge the gap in your diet and ensure you are getting all the vital nutrients your body needs to thrive. But it's not just about the vitamins and minerals. Moringa seeds are also a rich source of protein, making them an excellent addition to a plant-based diet or for those looking to increase their protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy immune system. By incorporating moringa seeds into your diet, you can boost your protein intake in a natural and sustainable way. One of the standout benefits of moringa seeds is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can lead to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation in the body. By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as moringa seeds, you can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. But perhaps one of the most impressive benefits of moringa seeds is their potential to support brain health. These tiny seeds are rich in compounds that have been shown to improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and protect the brain from age-related decline. By incorporating moringa seeds into your diet, you can give your brain the nutrients it needs to function at its best and support long-term brain health. And let's not forget about the impact of moringa seeds on gut health. These seeds are a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. By including moringa seeds in your diet, you can promote a healthy gut microbiome and improve your overall digestive health. But the benefits of moringa seeds don't stop there. These tiny seeds have also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease. By incorporating moringa seeds into your diet, you can help support your body's natural inflammatory response and reduce your risk of chronic inflammation-related diseases. So how can you start incorporating moringa seeds into your diet? There are countless ways to enjoy these nutrient-packed seeds. You can sprinkle them on top of salads, blend them into smoothies, mix them into yogurt or oatmeal, or even use them as a crunchy topping for soups or stews. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. In a world where processed foods and convenience meals often dominate our diets, it's more important than ever to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods like moringa seeds. By making a conscious effort to include these tiny seeds in your daily meals, you can nourish your body from the inside out and reap the incredible health benefits that they have to offer. So the next time you're looking to boost your nutrient intake, support your brain health, or simply add a new and exciting ingredient to your meals, consider reaching for a bag of moringa seeds. Your body will thank you for it, and you may just discover a newfound appreciation for the power of nature's most potent superfoods.